Today on the Wandering Gypsy RV Life, we are going to fix the front cap. As you can see, it is separated from the main cab. We were going to drill a few holes and put some screws in here to tighten it up, suck it up, and this video will show you how it's done. The following two pictures are a better view of the level of gap between the two pieces. I've gotten some holes drilled and they are actually sucking in. You can see I've done some good work here. Had to mess with the drill bit to make sure I had the right size drill bit, and I do. And we're making progress getting this all tightened down. We're going to continue putting screws in until this is completely flat. And at that point we will reattach the fascia trim and everything will be good to go again on Bertie Bea on this side. We are now good and tight. As you can see, the bow has been taken out. So now the next piece is to install the fascia back on over all of this. And once that is done, this side will be completed and we will be doing the other side. I was going to use butyl tape, but I think the Gorilla double-sided tape is going to work just fine. You can see I made a boo-boo right here with the 3 holes, but as you can see, everything is now flush almost all the way up and down. This is much better than it was 2 hours ago. The previous clip I showed Gorilla double-sided tape, but for this application it was recommended that I use alien tape, which I did and it turned out perfectly. Thank you again for watching this episode of the Wandering Gypsy RV Life.